Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a Brother printer that prints fine but does not scan. First, restart everything. Turn off your printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 2 minutes. While waiting, restart your computer. After that, plug the printer back in and turn it on. This simple step can often fix temporary issues. Next, check your connections. If you are using USB cable, unplug it and try a different USB port on your computer. If you are using a wireless connection, make sure both your printer and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, look at the printer screen. Check for any error messages like paper jam or low ink or toner. Even small errors can block the scanning function. Clear any issues shown on the display before moving on. If the problem is still there, reinstall the drivers. Go to the Brother Support website and download the full driver and software package for your printer model. Install it fresh on your computer. You can also try using the Brother iPrint and Scan tool. Open the app, select your machine, and confirm that it shows as connected. This tool can help repair communication problems between your computer and the printer. Finally, check your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes it blocks scanning. Temporarily disable it and test the scan again. Thanks for watching.